everybody, Doug at Carpet Depot. Just wanted to take a second and show you guys some of the things that we've been doing here at the store, some of the great lines that we've been bringing in, especially in the hard surface flooring. That's been a huge category this year and the previous year as well. So I got to make sure that I have a great selection here in my store for you, so when you come in, you can find the right flooring that's absolutely perfect for you. So I'm going to walk over here and I'm just going to take a second, kind of show you guys a lot of the displays that I have and what we have to offer here, and hopefully we'll have something that you really like. All right, starting with probably the most popular in the store right now, the Cortec line. These guys just have a humongous amount of selections and colors and styles and plank sizes and price points. They really offer quite a lot. There's even a third display over here with even more colors and styles on it. So these guys are a very full line of the WPC products, the click together waterproof cores. We also offer a line from Kraus. They have two different price points within their line, and they also offer coordinating carpets to go along with it, just in case you're looking for some nice carpet to go along with that flooring. These guys merchandise it very well to give you kind of an idea of some things that would look good with whatever color you choose. We also offer from the Congolium Mohawk, it's called Traversa. This is their version of the WPCs, and they have several nice looks in the wood line. They have a few nice tiles, and they're actually going to be coming out with more even later this year, so that line will continue to grow. But again, just another nice selection of products that we have. We also carry the Beaulieu. Again, just like the others, they have a few different price points, lots of different styles and colors and looks. So just adding to that selection, hoping that you can find exactly what you're looking for when it comes to hard surface flooring. We also carry from Mohawk the Solidtech display. Solidtech is kind of cool because they do offer more of a shade variation line. So if you're the kind of person that really likes a lot of different shade variations in your floor, this one alone has 15 unique planks in it, meaning that not one out of those 15 are going to look anything like the other one. So it gives you some ultimate reality in your floor, and a lot of nice shade variations. They have a pretty nice color line and everything that they have. And then the latest one that we actually just put up in the last couple of days here from Shaw is their Florte line. And again, just another nice line of WPCs. They also offer, which is unique to this line itself, they offer one-piece treads for when you want to do your stairs. You don't have to deal with those bulky nosings. You just glue these one-piece treads on, and they offer solid white risers, or you can use the same color wood on the risers if you want. End caps, the whole works. So really nice line. And then their top of the line, just like the Cortec, it is embossed and registered, so you can see where the texturing actually matches the picture that you see, and then it's got that nice beveling as well, which gives it the ultimate realisticness. They also have the 12 by 24 tiles as well. Some really nice looks in that too. In fact, this is one of the more full tile options out of everything that we have. So as you can see, lots of different colors and styles here. Hopefully it's enough to where when you come in, you have a great selection and you can find that perfect color for what you're doing. Now, even though hard surface has been the big push, we've also beefed up a lot of our carpet selection that we have here in the store as well. This is just one company that we brought on several displays for. This is Dreamweaver. I have this whole display here. I have another entire display over here. And then on this side of the showroom, they also have this nylon display. All of their products that they do are solution dyed products, means the color goes all the way through the fiber. So any of those real stubborn stains, you can use harsher chemicals, even bleach on it, and you don't have to worry about the color being faded or harmed in any way whatsoever. So they got a lot of nice looks, a lot of nice price points within their line. And then the other thing that we have brought in is a complete line from Shaw. These guys have stepped up this year and really helped us out to bring in an entire new selection of carpets that we didn't have before. So, you know, we're a complete Shaw dealer now. Just adding, you know, as you can see, so many different styles and colors and grades of carpeting to, you know, the selection that we already have. This is, you know, kind of what our selection looks like now with everything in the showroom. And we've even got more coming that's going to be here later in the year. So make sure you come in. I'm sure you're going to find something right here in your hometown store that you're going to love. So there you have it. That's some of the new stuff that we brought on this year, and just trying to make sure that we have a nice complete showroom for when you guys come in and you're looking for something to spruce up your home, that we got a great selection here. And we'll be adding more as the year goes through and in the future as well. So we always try to stay on top of what's new and coming out, so this way you guys got a great selection. So thanks for watching. Have a great day.